आइए मैम, आइए आइए, आ जाइए।
Please, thank you. We all are present here today with a heart full of pride and eye glistening with hope as we are celebrating the 79th Independence Day of our beloved India. A day when freedom found its voice and the nation found its soul. Freedom is not just a word, it's a responsibility, as we all know. Now, I would like to welcome respected MD ma'am, AMS sir, DMS sir, our respected AMS ma'am, I think she is here. Okay. And all the HODs, consultants, and all the doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, and other BSA hospital, PW staff, I feel honored to host the today as we come together to celebrate this historic day. Now, we will proceed with the program. First, I would like to invite the MD ma'am for the flag hosting. AMS sir, AMS sir, please come forward for the flag hosting so that we can proceed for the further program. Please do the honor.
Next. Thank you. मैम, यहाँ नाचो।
मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, 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 मोती रंग दे, हमारे रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला।
देखो देख, नीचे देख के, नीचे देख के, नीचे देख के मैम देख।
रंगोली के पास खड़े हो।
वेट 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 वेट। सामने देखिएगा मैम।
May I invite Dr. Meenakshi Siddhar, our medical director, to address the gathering and to share her thoughts on this auspicious occasion. Please.
Good morning all. A very happy Independence Day. आप सबको कैसा फील हो रहा है? Are you all enjoying? Isn't this decoration unprecedented? Credit to the housekeeping services and the security team for doing all this decoration. They are working till 2 AM in the night to decorate it so beautifully because it adds to the ambience, to the mood. It really elevates the mood, isn't it? My speech is in Hindi today. Please excuse me if I don't pronounce any word properly. I want everyone to understand, everyone present here. Sammaniya doctors, dear all HODs, Dr. Malhotra, DMS Dr. Akhilesh, Dr. Shailendra, AMS Dr. Ajay Gupta, Dr. Meet Kumar, HOD Gynae, Dr. Sandhya Jain, Dr. Shikha Chadha, Dr. Renu Gupta, Dr. Ranjan, Dr. Uday, Dr. Palia, Dr. Jitendra, Dr. Devesh, Dr. Vanda, Dr. Miru. A very good morning to all of you and happy Independence Day. And welcome to this. I am very thankful to you for making time on this holiday to join here for this celebration. आप सबके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएं। सामान्य डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस, टेक्नीशियंस, प्रशासनिक सहयोगीगण, सफाई कर्मचारी, सुरक्षा कर्मचारी, आज का यह शुभ दिन हमारे दिलों में गर्व, श्रद्धा और संकल्प एक अद्भुत संकल्प लेकर आया है। हम सबने मिलकर इस पवित्र तिरंगे को फहराया है। यह कोई साधारण ध्वज नहीं, हमारी आजादी की अमूल्य धरोहर है। जब हम आजादी की बात करते हैं तो वह केवल एक तारीख नहीं है, बल्कि अनगिनत बलिदानों की कहानी है। महात्मा गांधी जी ने सत्य और अहिंसा के मार्ग पर चलते हुए देश को एक नई चेतना दी। पंडित नेहरू ने आजाद भारत की कल्पना को दिशा दी। सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने देश की एकता को मजबूती दी। डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर ने हमें समता मूलक संविधान दिया। वहीं सभी शहीद भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, राजगुरु और सुखदेव जैसे क्रांतिकारियों ने हंसते हंसते अपने प्राणों की आहुति दे दी थी। हमारी आजादी इन महान आत्माओं के त्याग, संघर्ष और अटूट संकल्प की देन है। आइए इस पावन अवसर पर हम उनके बलिदानों को नमन करें और संकल्प लें कि उनके दिखाए मार्ग पर चलकर हमें सशक्त, समरस और स्वच्छ भारत के निर्माण में योगदान देंगे। आप सब संकल्प लेते हैं? यस। इस तिरंगे की हर एक पट्टी हमें को सिखाती है। केसरिया रंग हमें साहस और बलिदान की प्रेरणा देता है। सफेद रंग शांति और सच्चाई का प्रतीक है। और हरा रंग उधर देख रहा है जीवन, समृद्धि और विकास का संदेश देता है। अशोक चक्र हमें निरंतर कर्म करते रहने की प्रेरणा देता है, बिना रुके, बिना थके। साथियों, आजादी केवल एक दिन की भावना नहीं है, यह एक जिम्मेदारी है। यह सब आपको समझनी है। एक ऐसी जिम्मेदारी जो हम सबको कंधों पर है, खासकर हम जैसे स्वास्थ्य कर्मियों के लिए। हम हर दिन, हर क्षण सेवा के माध्यम से राष्ट्र की सेवा करते हैं। हमारा अस्पताल एक मंदिर है जहाँ हम ना जाति देखते हैं, ना धर्म, ना भाषा, ना वर्ग। हम सिर्फ मानवता को देखते हैं। कोई मरीज हमारे पास जब उम्मीद की नजर से देखता है तो वही क्षण होता है कि जब हम सच्चे भारतवासी बनते हैं, जब हमारा कर्म ही हमारा राष्ट्र धर्म बन जाता है। मैं गर्व से कह सकती हूँ कि हमारा अस्पताल का हर सदस्य, चाहे वो डॉक्टर हो या नर्सिंग ऑफिसर हो या टेक्नीशियन हो या सफाई कर्मचारी हो, राष्ट्र निर्माण की इस प्रक्रिया में बराबरी का भागीदार है। हम सब के लिए, हम सब स्वास्थ्य कर्मियों के लिए एक जोरदार तालियां। ये बीच बीच में आपको प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए। आज इस पावन अवसर पर आइए हम सभी एक साथ मिलकर ये संकल्प लें। हम सब संकल्प लेंगे, आप मेरे साथ बोलोगे कि हम अपने कार्यस्थल को न सिर्फ इलाज का केंद्र बनाएंगे, बल्कि विश्वास और सेवा का प्रतीक बनाएंगे। कि हम हर मरीज के प्रति करुणा, सहानुभूति और समर्पण की भावना से काम करेंगे। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कि हम अपने कर्तव्यों के प्रति सच्चे रहेंगे, चाहे परिस्थितियां कैसी भी हों। यही हमारी सच्ची देशभक्ति है। थैंक यू। आज हमारा तिरंगा आसमान में जितनी ऊंचाई पर लहरा रहा है, उसी तरह हमारे इरादे बुलंद हो, हमारी निष्ठा अडिग हो और हमारी सेवा भावना असीम हो। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम। वंदे मातरम। जय हिंद। So as we stand today, as we celebrating the spirit of freedom and patriotism on this Independence Day, it's truly a divine coincidence that tomorrow, as we shall also celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna, Janmashtami, a festival of joy, wisdom and divine love. So here is to spiritual beginning of this function. This sacred occasion is not just a religious celebration, it is a reminder of eternal values, timeless wisdom and the victory of truth over falsehood. Lord Krishna, throughout his life and teachings, continues to guide us on the path of righteousness, courage and compassion. As he says in Bhagavad Gita, Karmanye vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. You have to right to perform your duty, but not to the fruits of your actions. This should be mantra of everyone, and this will give you real happiness. You should just see your action, not the fruits you are getting. Fruits will automatically come sooner or later. This teaching is a powerful reminder to all of us to dedicate ourselves fully to our duties without being attached to the outcome, whether in service of our nation, our society or our families. Let us act with sincerity and selflessness. Lord Krishna also taught us that true wisdom lies in balance. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Equanimity is yoga. In times of success and failure, joy and sorrow, may we learn to remain balanced and composed, just as Krishna teaches us. Whatever I am saying, if you imbibe all these teachings of Krishna into your lives, you will be much more peaceful and happy in life. And finally, he reminds us that excellence is a form of worship. Yoga karmasu kaushalam. Yoga is skill in action. As we move forward as a nation, let us infuse every action we take with dedication, honesty and purpose, that we will be our true offering toward Lord Krishna and our country. On this beautiful occasion of Janmashtami, let us take a vow to walk the path of dharma, to uphold truth and to serve with love. I want to play a nice Krishna bhajan and have a spiritual beginning to this program.
Now we can start our program with some cultural activities. What better way to celebrate the freedom than with the expression of our culture? Up next, we have a series of performances that reflect the spirit of India, its diversity, its unity and its vibrancy. To start with, I invite Madam Sharmila and team for a group dance. Please, ma'am.
आज दिल पे हाथ रख के ये कसम ले हम सभी, ना झुकेगा देश अपना, ना झुकेंगे हम कभी। आज दिल पे हाथ रख के ये कसम ले हम सभी, ना झुकेगा देश अपना, ना झुकेंगे हम कभी। जिंदगी का क्या किया जो असल उठा के मर न पाया, हो गया वो खून पानी जो वक्त बिना बहाया, चल लहू से लिख दे खाक पे।
यदि भारत माता के चरणों में लहू बहाकर ही आगे जाना है तो मैं इस पद को ग्रहण करने के लिए पूर्ण रूप से तैयार हूं।
ऐ भारत माँ तेरी माटी तेरा देश पहले, दुनिया के सारे सुख पीछे है मेरा देश पहले। है तिरंगा शान अपनी, देंगे इस पे जान अपनी। जन जन मन अधिनायक जय हे तेरा संदेश पहले, दुनिया के सारे सुख पीछे है मेरा देश पहले।
सत्ता का खेल चलता रहेगा, सरकारें आएंगी जाएंगी, पार्टियां बनेंगी बिगड़ेंगी, पर यह देश रहना चाहिए। इस देश का लोकतंत्र अमर रहना चाहिए।
देखो पेंसिल पे इधर देखो।
ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, खोल दो। लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो। गर्दिश में फिर अपनी आजा आजा इंद्र शामी आने के लगे चंद्री आने नीले आसमाने के लगे
ऐसा नहीं लगता जैसे देश की आज़ादी के दिन हमारे अंदर भी नया जोश भर गया है। Thank you so much for this beautiful performance by Sharmila Dutt ma'am and group, as she is the president of our union. Now we will move on to next program. Let's enjoy. We are the future of this nation. Let's rise, let's build, let's lead.
Distribution of the trophies. Now I would like to call students from the batch, MBBS batch of 2024, Dr. Arinjit Tiwari and
कोई नहीं मैं गया जहां भी बस तेरी याद में साथ थी मुझको तड़पा रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही माँ तुझे सलाम माँ तुझे सलाम अम्मा तुझे सलाम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम तरह मैं जीना नहीं सोच नहीं दुनिया की दौलत नहीं बस लूंगा तेरे प्यार की कसम एक नजर जब तेरी होती है प्यार की दुनिया तब तो मेरी चमके धमके महके तेरा चेहरा सूरज जैसा चांद सी ठंड है प्यार में वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Thank you so much. What a lovely day. Thank you so much. Have a great.
So let's continue our function here. May I request ma'am to brief about our special achievements in last 1 year. That's all. Followed by PPT. Ma'am prepared it with passion. Thank you ma'am. Please welcome.
I am going to present this in PPT form, the achievements of BSA Hospital. A proud moment for me to talk about achievements of BSA Hospital. On 29th of April 2025, I assumed this charge. So I feel lucky to have this opportunity to be talking about the achievements of our hospital. BSA is my pride. BSA is my love actually. And BSA is my home. Most of you know I joined BSA in January 2000. So I have been seeing how BSA has been growing and progressing. Now it has reached to this level. We have a medical college now, and we have been having all these NCOS rounds and CAICL rounds. That has really made a difference because all the departments, they are trying to do their best because now they have a checklist. They are sticking to the protocols, and every department has demonstrated lot of effort and improvements, and all the examiners who have been coming during this last few years, they have been all praises for you. So all these leaders, Vande So this is our hospital. This year I am proud to share a few key milestones that reflect our progress and alignment with both state and national health priorities. So this year we saw, it was during my tenure only, the inauguration of Diagnostic Cage. So it was under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, and we have successfully established Diagnostic Cage within our hospital premises, and this initiative significantly enhances access to quality and affordable medicines. Because it's quite frequent that some medicines are not available, and it's a really blessing for all the crowd, all the citizens who are coming here. They're getting medicines at a very reasonable rate, almost 1/4 of the rate. It's a big blessing for them. and particularly benefiting the underprivileged sections of the society. So for every achievement you have to clap. Janarsi Ken. Second, Dr. Shailendra, the credit goes to Dr. Shailendra for implementing our Ayushman Bharat scheme. It is in support of the Government of India's flagship healthcare program, and we have set up a dedicated Ayushman Bharat unit at our hospital, and this initiative strengthens our resolve to provide equitable healthcare access and financial protection to the most vulnerable populations. So there have been quite a few government initiatives to help the underprivileged section of the society and for digitalizing everything. So, a big applause for Dr. Kuldeep. Dr. Kuldeep, please stand. Starting off online OPD registration and IPD registration. Of course, everything happened under the administrative control of AMSA Dr. Ajay Gupta under his guidance. So, embracing digital transformation, we have launched an online OPD registration system, greatly improving patient convenience, reducing waiting time and ensuring a smoother outpatient experience. So, everything will be linked to phone number now, because in last 1 or 2 months, we are seeing more rush in the OPD registration because everything takes time to establish and it takes time. And the registration is being done by, they are not being done by data entry operators, they are being trained to do that. So, but soon, thanks to Dr. Dhankar, where is Dr. Dhankar? The tender of OPD and IPD registration has been opened. There will be more counters, there will be more computers, and everything will be digitalized and much more convenient. We may face some difficulty initially because these are all in the budding stage. We face difficulties, but soon I'm very confident that very soon everything will be well established. And this is my dream to see. The doctor sitting in the OPD and the patient comes, and by one click the doctor should be able to see all his record, the previous record also, because most often patient, they misplace their papers. The doctor doesn't know what he had prescribed earlier. So all the investigations, all the reports will be entered on his name, on his phone number. So by just one click all the details will be available. So this is the dream, or this is the motive of initiating this program, digitalizing everything. So this is one of the OPD cards which has been generated by an online system. Medleypar. So that was a really nightmare for everyone, but we did it. There is MSMD group from the health secretariat, and they post everything. So when they said that you have to enter about 16,000 legacy data, because entry of one MLC takes about 15 minutes. So initially we tried with few data entry operators, 3-4, but we were seeing they're not able to do more than 20 to 30 per day. So that was a big target to achieve 15,000. Then we had all meetings of HOD, and all the HODs happily agreed to distribute this work to their residents. And in the MSMD list that was coming, we were at the lowest because zero entry of Medleypar data, and within 5 days we were at the top among 24 hospitals. That was with effort of each and every HOD persuading the residents to fill the legacy data, and that was really a big achievement. And the IAS officers who were in the group, so they asked everyone to follow the model of BSA hospital, like using the resident doctors. They were really surprised how we did it. So that was a real big achievement. This Medleypar entry has to continue. We have filled the legacy data, but the current data is also to be filled, because that will be a continuous program. In the Medleypar program, The main contributors have been Dr. Meet Kumar from Casualty, Dr. Dhankar from Forensic Medicine, and Dr. Vinita Gupta from One Stop Center. A big applause from them. And without fail, Dr. Vinita used to post their entries that they have done these many entries in One Stop Center, and it is 100%. So another project was started in our hospital on PPP mode. We have 10 dialysis beds. So currently it is held to the OPD patients who are on regular dialysis and not the indoor patients. I have written to Chief Minister of Delhi to include this facility for indoor patients also, because we have only 4 beds. Thanks to Dr. Saurabh Narayan, if he is present here. Dr. Saurabh Narayan, he is the nodal officer for this project. I am not naming everyone. If I am naming a doctor, it is applaud for all the team also who has worked with him. So this is the new PPP unit in Ward 2A. So now comes the accident and emergency department. So during the NCOS round, it was rated topmost. A big applause for the casualty and emergency team. Dr. Palia, sir. There is enormous workload in casualty, and he is managing casualty so well with all the available staff, and it's a big achievement. So sticking, in spite of the enormous rush, they are sticking to the protocols and all, and a real applaud for them. And the trolley system also recently, we have introduced the new trolleys with these mattresses, and that it is very convenient to transport patients with that. We are doing away with those frail trolleys. Just one request to Dr. Palia. So we want that the NO should transport patient to the casualty or other departments for the patient, because often the ladies and girls and others patients are seen pushing the trolleys. So just a request that please train the NOs and the guards which are present there to do their duty properly. So that should be very good.
We are doing that and we are keeping record of it.
Thank you. Our casualty is equipped with all essential and life-saving equipments with minor OT and emergency OT. When we reach at the top, that's not the end. That's a motivation to do better and better and to make it the best. This was inaugurated on which date? A month back. The trolleys, these are the trolleys I was mentioning about. So the trolleys. July, okay. So this is now another department that made us really proud in the NCOS round. Every department in fact is excellent. So I have to mention who scored the highest marks. I take pride in acknowledging the labor room team, which has earned outstanding praise and scores from the NCOS assessment team for its exemplary adherence to quality standards and protocols. That's really very big achievement, because there is no busier place than labor room. And in spite of their busy schedule in the labor room, they are sticking to all the protocols, and they are doing so well. A big applause for them. Under the able leadership of Dr. Sandhya Jain and Dr. Vinita Gupta, this incredibly busy department has not only achieved Lakshya certification, I applaud them for the Lakshya certification, but also Dr. Vinita Gupta, please, Lakshya. And Dr. Sandhya Jain. Dr. Sandhya Jain is everywhere for dying. Dr. Sandhya Jain It's not only achieved Lakshya certification but has demonstrated innovative practices in documentation and record keeping, all while ensuring compassionate, safe and high quality care for every mother and newborn. This recognition is a testament to the team's dedication, discipline and unwavering commitment to excellence. Congratulations to Dr. Vinita, Dr. Sandhya and her entire team for setting such high standards. I want to show a video of labor room.
हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं की उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
My blood bank. So our blood bank is very, very nice. It's an advanced regional blood transfusion center with monthly collection of about 1700 to 1800 units. This year it has suddenly increased. So last year the annual collection was 15,000. I think by this time it has already crossed 12,000. So hoping to reach 20,000 mark this year. And we support 5-storage center. In last 1 year, the blood bank had acquired fully automated TDI testing. System was installed. And also we have the RFID system installed recently for automated stock management and improved blood safety. And we have about 200 thalassemics registered with us, and we issue about 500 to 600 units every month to thalassemic children who are dependent on blood for their survival. And we are issuing them leukodepleted RHGL phenotype blood. We are doing antibody screening, and we have got all latest things that the advanced blood centers are doing. But there is yet more to be acquired now. The charges, now the charges with Dr. Sandeepa, who will take it to further heights. Yes, we started hemovigilance repeating also, and we got appreciation from hemovigilance cell of India, and we got appreciation certificate for very precise reporting of donor adverse reactions as well as the transfusion reaction in the patient. So you all are requested to report any adverse reaction in the patient, may it be only chills and rigor or a major reaction. Every reaction has to be reported, and we report to Hemovigilance Center of India. कुछ तालियां नहीं. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सर्जरी, शत नमन आपको, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सर्जरी। They are doing so well and our surgery department, I am so proud of the surgery department. डॉक्टर जितेंद्र के तो नाम से लोग आते हैं, एक साल रुक जाएंगे पर सर्जरी नहीं कराएंगे। And they are really handling enormous workload, really enormous workload, and the surgical results are really very good. Patients are very happy, satisfied, and that's the outcome we want, the satisfaction and happiness of the patient. So thanks to Dr. Jitendra, and they have been organizing this CMEs and workshops also. Recently this Amasi workshop was organized and two other CMEs were organized in last year by Department of Surgery. National Cadaveric Workshop was for 2 days organized in collaboration with prestigious organization Amasi and was attended by reputed national faculties and delegates from all over country. Couple of the delegates from Sri Lanka were from Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. So, आपकी तो international level की होगी. Keep doing good work and making BSA proud. उनके साथ डॉक्टर संदीप भी बैठे हैं, उनके शिष्य जो उनकी राह पे चल रहे हैं. He's a big. Who is this hero? Department of Radiology. There is always shortage of doctors in radiology department, but somehow he is managing. And we get few senior residents sometimes, but so many ultrasounds, and now they have started CT scan also. They are reporting CT scan also for indoor patients of head injury 24/7, and that's a big achievement. The government says that they plan to install MRI machine also. Let's see when it happens. So proud of radiology department. This is their team. Dr. Rajinder is here. Dr. Rajinder, Dr. Naveen. They have been managing critical care with excellent results, and they are under their care. The results of the ICU patients, the mortality is very less, and they are doing all best possible to save the patient. A big applause from them. And also they have been organizing this BLS workshops. They have been organizing many workshops for this life-saving support system, and it's a very good thing because this training, this has to pass on because everybody should learn. And you are doing a great job by doing a lot of training along with Dr. Shakti and Dr. Sunil and Dr. Kavita from anesthesia department. They are a big team. They are doing these trainings all over India. A big achievement for them. They continue to set high standards in patient management. Maternity wards. The maternity wards was one of the top scorers in the ANQUAS round, and so under the able leadership of Dr. Neeraj and Dr. Anupa are the present here. They were rated among the best in the recent ANQUAS assessment. A lot of credit goes to the sister in charge also of the wards because she is managing everything there. They get directions from the doctor, but the actual management of the ward is by the Sister Dimple and Sister Sidesh Kaushik. Are they present here? Sister Dimple is not here?
Yes, ma'am.
A big applause for them. The wards are exceptionally well maintained with strict adherence to all clinical and cleanliness protocols. I'm sorry I missed that. Dr. Shikha Chedda. I think I wrongly remember Dr. Neeraj is also looking after. Okay. So Dr. Shikha is for the maternity wards. I am sorry for that lapse. Again, Dr. Shikha. ENT department. Surgery smile. So they are doing a lot of good work, and we have good number of specialists in ENT department, and the ENT department has been doing very good since the beginning of this hospital. We have been getting all very expert ENT specialists. I remember Dr. Ashish Kumar was there initially, and he was doing excellent work because we had a lot of interaction with them when I was in pathology. And now Dr. Ajay, Dr. Pankaj Kumar, and Dr. Deepika Sethi, they are here, and the patient satisfaction score and their results are really excellent. They are doing head and neck cancer surgeries also, and this the faculty has also contributed to academically serving as examiners for UG and PG examination at both Delhi and national levels. ताली इतनी हल्की कितनी रोज 9 से 4 आना, इतने पेशेंट्स देखना, फिर ओटी करना, छोटी तालियां कम तालियां नहीं बनती. They are doing a big job. Urology. Dr. Khatana, he had established the Department of Urology. That's the only urology department in the entire Delhi. He was first to set up. And the legacy has been very well, very gracefully carried forward by Dr. Devesh Bhatia. They are also a good team, Dr. Karthik Sridhar and Dr. Shazib. Yeah, Dr. Shazib. And Department of, this year we started DNP courses also, and they got 3 DNP residents. So, keep progressing. They have been posting a very rare and difficult surgery also in the BSA family group. I could not, because of the shortage of time, I am not including all those pictures, but they have done really very rare surgeries and very difficult surgeries lasting for hours. So, thank you Dr. Devesh Bhatia for doing such a good work. Orthopedics. Orthopedics department has been always very, very good. As far as I remember, initially Dr. Jitendra was there, then Dr. Navneet Goyal came, and Dr. Apur Dua, Dr. Ankit Khurana, and at present there is faculty shortage, but वो lucky department है वहाँ, they get very excellent surgeons. I hope to get more surgeons in orthopedics department. So a big applause for orthopedics department, under the leadership of Dr. Navneet Goyal, and they have successfully performed nearly 200 joint replacement and reconstructive surgeries of the knee and hip within just 6 months. And in 6 months, total 600 major orthopedic surgeries have been conducted during this period. And importantly, all the implants were provided by the hospital, enabling patients to regain mobility and lead a life free from disability. Implant provided by hospital, various procurement. Until now, Dr. Vinita Gupta was looking after procurement. And Uttam ji, Lakshman ji, where are you hiding? And the ortho ward, Sister Sushma Chauhan, she got recognition in the last entrance round as the best sister. A big applause for her. You all must go and see ortho ward also, and the way she is doing. Everyone is doing good, but it's good to take inspiration from others also. You can get more ideas and you can include them in your departments also. Dr. Jujhar Singh is also here. Dr. Salman Durrani. The operation theatres. We have 11 state-of-the-art operation theatres. Thanks to Dr. Vandana Chugh. They are providing stupendous support. तभी तो सारे surgeries कर रहे हैं. A big thanks to Dr. Vandana Chugh for maintaining all the OTs so well. And main OT is so well maintained. Who is the sister in charge, main OT? Mr. Ashish Chaudhary. Sister Pinky, Sister Anita Shekhawat. Okay. Sister Tessie, Sister Anita Shekhawat, Sister Pinky, Sister Asha Chaudhary, Swastika, and Sarita Antil, and everyone in that team. And during the last NCOS round, it was rated excellent and one of the top scorers. Surgical ICU is also under them. Dr. Neetu Chaudhary is maintaining surgical ICU, and that both the medical and surgical ICUs, they are really well maintained and keep doing well and keep doing better also. Our psychiatry department, Dr. Dinesh Tyagi, is he present here? Anyway, Dr. Namita Deka, her son is also come. Beta is around. Dedicated to holistic mental health care. Our psychiatry department, it continues to provide essential OPD and IPD services along with child and adolescent mental health care, de-addiction services and legal support in POCSO and other cases, including Asha Kiran and halfway homes. Despite limited staff, the team delivers holistic care with excellent patient feedback. The patients are really happy and they take a lot of pain because since psychiatry is not a 1-minute job, to every patient you have to give 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes also. And I have discussed many patients and all of you will acknowledge. आप कभी ना कभी बेशक अपने लिए नहीं पर अपने friends, relatives के लिए गए होंगे and you would have realized that they are excellent. And heartfelt appreciation to the department for their quite yet impactful service in the vital domain.
I'm proud of you, Mama. Yes, लेकिन पिटाई करती है। हाँ, मम्मी मुझे प्यार करती है लेकिन कभी-कभार पिटाई करती है। मैं फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ।
फुटबॉल खेलते हो? डांस भी करते हो?
ज़्यादा डांस ही नहीं करता क्योंकि मुझे डांस ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है।
क्या पसंद है आपको?
स्पोर्ट्स।
स्पोर्ट्स पसंद है, वेरी गुड। a forensic department under the leadership of Dr. Vijay Dhankar. He is really doing a very great job. Can you believe we have equal workload as LNJP Hospital, and our staff is 1/10 of LNJP hospitals, and they are working 9 to 4 or even more also, and even on Sundays. So they have very less staff, and still they are doing so well. And since beginning, they have been giving computerized. They have computerization of their department. They are all the reports in the computer, and they are. I must congratulate forensic department, Dr. Vijay Dhankar, Mr. Sujeesh, who are the backbone of the department, Dr. Aarti Singh, Dr. Kiran Kumari, Mr. Hemant Meena. What is this? Quality team. Big applause to the quality team. They have been doing wonderful job because of their incessant efforts. They have been working so hard. They have been going to all departments, training everyone, and checking whether they are sticking to the protocols, helping them make SOPs, helping them do all the tools and all. And they're facilitating them. With their help, all the departments have reached this level. So a big applause for the quality team. Dr. Pradeep Sharma, the hero of quality team. Dr. Vivek Mohan Arora, he has recently joined. Dr. Vinita Vatha from Muskan, Dr. Vinita Gupta, Dr. Shikha Chadda, Dr. Shalini Dugal now. Dr. Shalini, I am very happy you joined them. She is an asset to our hospital. Dr. Mitasha from Community Medicine. Dr. Mitasha, I saw her, she had come. Yes. Sister Kusum Lata Dabas. I must appreciate for her. She is very dedicated, very hardworking, and she has taken up the most challenging job. Any guesses? Most challenging job. I have made her in charge of the kitchen services. The enthusiastic, bubbly Pravesh Dabas, Mr. Vinod Thapa, very consistent, Ms. Kunjan Janale, very enthusiastic, Ms. Archana, always jumping, Mr. Sujeesh, silently doing the work, Ms. Jyoti Bhardwaj, very charming girl, Ms. Seema, Mr. Satish, Sanitation Inspector. I think he is the backbone of the quality team because of him. He works day and night. He posts picture at 12, 2. Last night, but till 2 AM they were cleaning. You would have observed how clean the hospital, the premises are, and they are working hard just to show. Not just to show, what they can do. They have demonstrated how sincere they are. She was in charge for 5 years. Can you beat it? The BMW site where all this trash used to be there on all, and that's the cleanest space. That's the cleanest place in the hospital with no stink. And I think the credit goes to Dr. Sanjeeva, Dr. Shalini Dugal. Now she has taken over as BMW in charge. Ms. Jyoti and Sonia Reward. A big Dr. Renu Go. Yeah, earlier she was there. The foundation तो उन्होंने रखी थी नहीं, उससे पहले मैंने रखी थी. Kapil Kalra, DO, he is available for everyone. Because lot of this work is there, logistic work is there, and Kapil Kalra is a big support to the quality team. Manoj Moya, data entry operator, Ms. Manisha Dabas, and now Ms. Jyoti Daya, Ms. Rinki, and now where is Rinki? Rinki and Pinky and Sangeeta, housekeeping. Rinki, she is in the nursing side, nursing orderly. Pinky and Sangeeta, they are all in the quality team. Sorry for that order. Don't judge me why I placed one slide earlier than the other. So I had no time, I left at 8 p.m. but I did it. I wanted to show everyone what all the partners are doing. The medicine department, Dr. Rana, Vivek Rana is the HOD, Dr. Amit Johari and Evika Pratt from them have become. Anyway, they are doing a big job because 180 beds for medicine department. 180 beds or 180, there is always doubling, so I am saying 180 patients. And they have ward 21, 22, they have the emergency ward, and there is a hell of workload for them, and they are always on toes, but still they are managing. There are supposed to be 8 specialists here, but we are working only with 2 specialists. We have 4 medical officers also with them. Dr. Vipul, Dr. Lakshmi Chaudhary, Dr. Vipul Pandey, Dr. Poonam Taneja, and the wards managed by Sister Lakshmi Das, Sister Sunita Kohli, Sister Catherine, Sister Baba Arya, Sister Alka Oberai. And other supportive staff also. Applaud for all the team. Thank you very much for managing medicine department so well. Pathology भी मेरा था. So in 2000 I established Department of Pathology. I like to share my story. So I started with 2 technicians, Anju Bidda and Neelam Dugal. Then Meenu and Sharad they joined, and within 1 year I had started histopathology department, because I want to proudly say that, because even when there are specialists in other departments, they are not able to start histopathology for 10 years also. So I started within a year with support of my technical staff. Isn't that good? Then I started biochemistry department. I started with hormonal assays, started with HPLC and everything, and we had fully acute pathology lab by 2005. So I headed the department till 2011. Then I was given charge of blood bank in 2005, developed blood bank department. Now Dr. Renu Gupta, she is carrying forward that legacy very well. Thank you, Dr. Renu. You are handling my baby so well. So we are doing, the pathology department is doing variety of tests, which is very essential in patient care. Keep doing well, keep adding more tests so that it adds more value. I don't have slide of physiotherapy department. If any department is left out, and pediatrics slide miss हुई है. It was there. And you converted those 2 cubicles into that beautiful setup with central counter and surrounding rooms. That was a really good idea. And the poster behind, that's a really It's technical fault. I had included a slide of microbiology. And Dr. Shamini, and she's doing a lot of work in infection control practices also, and lots of variety of microbiological tests. So there is a request from medicine department to start the infective markers for that. I hope they will be soon started. And physiotherapy department, Mrs. Samta Sharma, Junaid and Sarika, have they come? A big applause for them. They have been doing a wonderful job. Since a big applause for them. And pediatrics department is one of the best departments in our hospital. And Dr. Vinita Vadhwa is here. Dr. Mugdha. They achieved Muskan certification under Dr. Vinita Vadhwa and Dr. Mugdha. And the Thalassemia ward. You must all visit the Thalassemia ward, that pediatric ward. I don't know, I missed to include pictures of that Thalassemia ward. The way they have converted the waste into art, that is really, really very worth praising. They have made hanging chandeliers out of that waste and whatnot. They have made fishes, chandeliers, and they have used this caps of these bottles, and they have used lots of things. So, and they maintain all types of clinics also. The Thalassemia unit, the adolescent clinic, and well baby clinic, the immunization. They are doing a good job. And you should visit the pediatrics OPD also. Now it is so colorful and with all this poster of babies. And I really praise pediatrics department. Don't mind, the slides are not here. And excuse me for that. Any department is left? Meti-OT. Sister Manji Malhotra, Sister Pramila, and Sister Deepa from Maternity OT, and Sister Shiny. That's one of the busiest OT, and it's being managed very well. And the ART department being managed very well by Dr. Mrs. Johari from ART department. Is she present here? And all the departments, now the MRD and disability being managed by Dr. Kuldeep Singh. Please applaud them. They are doing a great job. He's handling, Dr. Kuldeep Singh is handling all IT work, all registration work, the MRD, the IT, the court cases, and he doesn't go to home before 6 or 6:30 p.m. He first finishes all his work, then goes. So he's really very hardworking. So lot of praises for you, Dr. Kuldeep. And another busiest OT is emergency OT, managed by Sister Alka Buddhi Raja, Sister Neelam Sharma. Thank you. I'm sorry if I left any department. You can still tell me. I can tell you how I feel about your department. Don't mind if the slides are not there. Your family planning, Dr. Anupa Singhal managing the family planning OPD so well, and dental. Oh. मैं स्माइल देखे आ रही हूँ डॉक्टर मल्होत्रा की, पर डेंटल नहीं बोला. डेंटल डिपार्टमेंट. He was one of the doctors who had joined when I had joined since 2000. So he has been doing a lot of work, and now Dr. Biggest one-stop center of Delhi, Dr. Vinita Gupta. Jai Ho. For dental department is very good. आप वहाँ जाइए, अपने दांतों का स्वास्थ्य देखिए और अच्छी स्माइल करते रहिए. मुझे कभी कोई टच में डेंटल प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. सिर्फ एडवाइजरी से ही काम चलता रहा। यहाँ डॉक्टर विवेक सागर, डॉक्टर मिसिंग द नेम, डॉक्टर गरिमा. I get a lot of praises from them that patients are really very satisfied. And Dr. Pravesh, we have really good skin department. Their diagnosis is very good, and patients are really very satisfied with their treatment. And last but not the least, I want to say something about the sanitation team and the security guards. And praises for Mr. Satish. He is doing a wonderful job. हमारे स्वास्थ्य कर्मचारी पीछे बैठे हैं, आपकी तारीफ हो रही है, आप सुनिए प्लीज. मैं स्वच्छता विभाग के प्रति गहरी सराहना व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने इस माह स्वच्छता अभियान में एक उदाहरणीय भूमिका निभाई है. अभी ये मंथ चल रहा है, हमारा स्वच्छता अभियान चल रहा है 1 महीने का. डेली एक प्रोजेक्ट होता है एंड दे आर रियली कोऑपरेटिंग वेरी वेल. एंड श्री सतीश जी हमारे सैनिटरी इंस्पेक्टर और उनकी समर्पित टीम ने अस्पताल परिसर में स्वच्छता बनाए रखने के साथ साथ अस्पताल के बाहर और झुग्गी क्षेत्रों में भी श्रमदान किया था लास्ट 2 सैटरडेज, जो वास्तव में प्रशंसनीय है. देर रात तक अथक परिश्रम, टीम भावना और निस्वार्थ सेवा भावना का जो परिचय उन्होंने दिया है, वह हम सभी के लिए प्रेरणा स्रोत है. उनके प्रयासों ने न केवल अस्पताल को स्वच्छ बनाए रखा, बल्कि समाज में भी स्वच्छता के प्रति जागरूकता और जिम्मेदारी का संदेश दिया है. मैं श्री सतीश जी और उनकी पूरी टीम को इस निष्कलंक सेवा और समर्पण के लिए दिल से धन्यवाद और बधाई देती हूँ. I'll take a break. लास्ट में सुरक्षा कर्मियों के लिए बोलूंगी. आई नाउ ओवर टू डॉक्टर प्रदीप एंड गुलजन टू कैरी द प्रोग्राम फॉरवर्ड.
खूब प्रशंसा हो गई, पर नाच करना भी होगा. तो कौन सा टीम तैयार है? मैडम सीमा बख्शी एंड ग्रो. आ गई वापस। ओके, we start the real ceremony, that is award ceremony. थोड़ा फास्ट चलेंगे, टाइम बहुत ज्यादा लगता जा रहा है। आइडिया क्या है मैम, आपको कंटिन्यू करेंगे प्लीज। इलेक्ट्रिकल पार्टी में म्यूजिक नहीं बज रहा है।
तालियां बजा दीजिए।
स्माइल टेकन डन।
वेट करेंगे।
यस लुक इधर मैम। सर कुलदीप सर आगे आ जाएंगे। अजय सर वेट। थैंक यू।
Next in line is main OT, including emergency OT. Please be ready.
And Mr. Naveen Kumar.
Next is pediatrics, SNCU pediatrics. Nice. Pediatrics, SNCU.
मुस्कुरा भी लो। Yes, look here. Wait. Done.
Thank you.
गुस्से में नहीं, ये देखो सामने। यस, थैंक यू।
You was rated.
थोड़ा सा अंदर।
It was among the top. I have missed some department. Please don't mind for that.
ऐसे खड़े पता नहीं कुछ देंगे। सर को बुलाना है यार।
डॉक्टर अनीता चावला, डॉक्टर विकास बास, डॉक्टर मुग्धा, डॉक्टर अर्चना, सुधा, सुशील जोश, अजमल, रानी कुरविल।
मैम यस लुक स्माइल। वेट। थैंक यू।
मनीषा, ज्योति, पिंकी एंड संगीता, प्लीज।
वैसे हंस भी लो। यस लुक स्माइल। कैमरा आ रहा है। वेट। करो भाई।
वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट सेल।
एक सेकेंड, ये देखो सामने। वेट। डन।
नेक्स्ट लाइन
एक सेकेंड।
इमरजेंसी।
वेट।
डॉक्टर सुनील कुंबर, डॉक्टर ईडन भुटिया, डॉक्टर विमल नाग, डॉक्टर महेंद्र मीना, डॉक्टर संदीपा। The previous one.
बस वेट सर।
इमरजेंसी डॉक्टर अनीता चावला, डॉक्टर विनीता वाधवा, डॉक्टर संजय चौधरी, डॉक्टर सुनील कुंबर, ईडन भुटिया, डॉक्टर विमल नाग, डॉक्टर महेंद्र मीना, अर्चना, सीमा बख्शी, मोहनी, मंजू सलीम, प्रोमिला, निजेश, मिनी जॉन।
आगे आ जाओ, ले रहा हूँ।
एंड मेडिकल आईसीयू सविता मुद्गल, मौली बीजू, महावीर शर्मा, विजेंद्र सिंह राजावत। क्रिटिकल केयर मेडिसिन आईसीयू। सर्जिकल आईसीयू, बी रेडी। नेक्स्ट सर्जिकल आईसीयू,
जस्ट लुक
बी रेडी प्लीज।
Please listen. This department.
Yes, look once more. Thank you.
If anyone present from the lab, please come. Miss Chanchal, Neetu, Neeru Khattar, Satyabal, Rahman, Shikha, Counselor, Virendra Rai, Radiology. Dr. Ranjan, Dr. Uday. Next in line, be ready. Radiology. Dr. Uday.
Sir, थोड़ा सा आगे. Yes, look here.
And we can call it Department of Forensic Medicine under Dr. Vijay Dhankar. Be ready. Dr. Vijay Dhankar, please come on the stage. Dr. Vikas Dabas, Dr. Uday Kumar, Dr. Kumar Sanjay as store in charges, Dr. Deepika Sethi, Mr. Javeer Singh, Sushil Gupta,
Wait,
Gaurav,
एक सेकंड. Thank you. Wait.
कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा, है अर्ज़ी दीवाने की, जब और सुहानी देखी, एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो। कभी याद करे जो ज़माना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, जिक्र में शामिल तेरा नाम हो। ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है।
आप सब बोर हो रहे होंगे, ताली तो बजा सकते हैं प्लीज। कम ऑन, cheer it up. Come on.
मीठी तालियों का साथ।
दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा
कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूते के हार से इंडिया वाले।
एक बार जोरदार तालियां।
दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
एक बार सबको बुला लो, आ जाएंगे।
हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूते के हार से इंडिया वाले, छीले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Rajesh Patel, Vipul, Lakshmi Das, Lakshmi.
क्या स्माइल है?
Next in line is dialysis.
एक सेकेंड, वेट 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 मैम।
Saurabh Narayan, Babita, Rajesh, technician. Sister Lakshmi Das, Sunita Kohli, Sister Gayatri,
Yes.
Prabha Arya, and others.
वेट 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 वेट, फोटो खराब हो जाती है।
Be ready. Dr. Jitendra, Dr. Sandeep.
वेट 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 वेट, थोड़ा सा अंदर खींच के। यस, वेट 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 वेट, डन डन। डन, वेट सर।
Sangeeta Malhotra. और डिपार्टमेंट
आ जाओ, वेट।
Department of Arts. Now, next in line is I. Department of I.
आ जाओ एक बार आप। यार किस बात? वेट 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 वेट, मैम इधर। थैंक यू। एक्सक्यूज मी, यार क्या
दीपिका सेठी, डॉक्टर पंकज
करेंगे? वेट 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 वेट, वेट वेट वेट, एक बार आप एक। थैंक यू।
विवेक सागर, गरिमा, मनीषा। Psychiatry, Department of Psychiatry.
इधर देखना, विनोद सर। मैम इधर।
ये डिपार्टमेंट से
वेट वेट, इधर सामने।
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी। नेक्स्ट
लुक क्या?
गौरव चौधरी, अनामिका,
वेट वेट,
दीपेंद्र, मनमोहन सिंह, अनीता शर्मा, लोकेश दहिया, निवेदिता झा,
मैम इधर सामने। मैम
सिक्योरिटी सर्विसेज।
वेट वेट, सामने। ठीक है,
सिक्योरिटी सर्विस।
अभी जाओ, इधर देखो सब, सबके सब इधर देखो। वेट वेट,
मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड डिपार्टमेंट, डॉक्टर कुंडी, मिस्टर इंद्रजीत यादव,
Yes.
प्लानिंग एंड मिस्टर भारत भूषण, मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर एंड आरओ।
ऐसे रहेंगे। वेट वेट, इधर देखो सबके सब, स्माइल करते हुए। थैंक यू। झंडा हिलाइए मैम, थोड़ा हिलाइए ना मैम। यस,
के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी। जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी। संगीन में धर कर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई गुरखा कोई मद्रास वाला। सरहद पर लड़ने वाला हर वीर था भारतवासी। खून गिरा पर्वत पर, खून था हिंदुस्तानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। खून से लथपथ काया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा। फिर गए होश गंवा के। जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब चलते हैं। खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों। अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं। क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, भारत माता की जय।
उदय कुमार सिंह, डॉक्टर कुमार संजय, दीपिका सिंह।
मैडम इधर देखो। वेट वेट।
सतीश के लिए तालियां बहुत ज्यादा।
कपिल भाई स्माइल। वेट वेट। डन। वेट वेट। मैम वेट वेट। डन।
Now,
मनोज भैया हाथ आगे करो। Yes, Samesh, smile.
Thanks to Satish.
Hand आगे करो ना.
Organizing team. Thank you.
Then.
Final ending.
Ma'am, इधर.
We start national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे